welcome to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to reset a PC. You may opt to set a personal computer, for example when it is hanging or it is taking a lot of time to load programs or maybe to boot up. So in order to reset, go to the search button or start button and type reset here. Type here to search reset, then select this first one. So here you can see reset this PC. If your PC is not running well, resetting it might help. So this lets you to choose to keep your, you can choose to keep your personal files or remove them, all of them. So get started. Now these are two options. You can choose keep my files. So if you had your files like music, videos here, after resetting they won't get lost. But if you choose remove everything except the Windows will get lost. So you can choose any, like this one, keep my files, and that is the first step. So since this video was only for demonstration, I won't go to the next step. Only that you should make sure that your battery is high, like 100%, or your computer is connected to the power source. So don't allow your PC to bore you again by hanging every time. That's all.